What's popping with you guys on the YouTube? Mr. Buck, back at it again, you know what I'm saying? How everybody doing? Everybody good? Everybody straight? I'm doing great, you guys. I cannot complain. Let's get right into the video. Please hit that like button if you do enjoy it. If it helps you out, smack that like button. How to identify liquidity. Okay, first we have to understand what liquidity is. Basically, liquidity is where a lot of money is built up in the market. Basically, where people's stop losses is set. How do you lose money in the market? When your stop loss get hit. That's pretty much the simplest way I can tell you without showing you on the charts. You guys, in this video, I'm gonna be explaining how I look at liquidity. So don't take this video as the end all be all, you know, the Bible of liquidity. No. So with that being said, I'm just giving you guys how I look at it. And really, I want you guys to just use this information that I'm giving you and combine it with what you already know and have learned about Forex this far. Now, if you guys don't know already, you probably know this, but there's big banks who trade Forex. There's institutions, you know, hedge fund traders, things like that. People who got plenty money to move the market. These market movers, market makers, their goal is to take all the retail's money. You know, you'll be looking at the market and it might be signaling a buy for you, and then all of a sudden it'll hit you with that, you feel me, that woo-wop-de-woo. Hey, trust me, you don't want to get hit with that woo-wop-de-woo, you feel me? To fully understand smart money concepts, you need to understand retail concepts as well. We all know what a double bottom is, right? Terrible double bottom, but double bottom, right? You know, retail traders, you know, or regular traders, they're taught to buy. You would buy at the bottom of the double bottom, and same for double tops, you'll sell. So double top, train to sell. So right here, let me get this line. Right here is what we're gonna call liquidity, because if you were to buy this, your stops will be under these lows, right? Under market structure. So let's look at the double top. Same thing. The liquidity is right there. I just put a line for my liquidity. A lot of people, they be doing this. Putting a little money sign right there. I do that sometimes. I don't do it all the time. But that just lets you know that there's money under there. You want to be looking for equal highs and equal lows in the market. Okay, I'm going to say that again. You want to look for equal highs and equal equal lows. But look, actually, relatively equal highs, equal lows, okay? They don't have to be perfect, but relatively in that same, like this right here, I would still mark this as liquidity, because if somebody would have bought this, it's still liquidity under here, no matter even if it's not even an equal high, equal low, right? We on Euro USD. Now, I believe this works on most time frames, okay? Me personally, the highest I'm gonna go to spot liquidity is probably the 1 hour, okay? Maybe the H4, but I'm a scalper, smart money scalper, okay? That's what I'm calling myself. I'm a smart money scalper. I'm gonna show y'all something. I'm gonna show y'all a trade that I took and I got messed up. I took this trade right here, right? So I see market creating relatively equal lows right here, right? Right? And then I see a sweep of those lows. I said, okay. I'm pretty sure market grabbed liquidity with this move, right? So as soon as I seen some bullish confirmation, I pretty much just got in, okay? Now that was dumb of me to even do that, you know what I'm saying? But I got in and caught, you know, 12, 13 pips real quick, but then it reversed, okay? I got out before it hit my stop. So I small profit on this trade. But if you can see the concept, now I messed up because what market did was I got in too soon. That was just a dumb move to just get in right away, okay? What I didn't notice at the time, market really created more liquidity with this move. You see this? It might not seem like shit to you, but this is equal lows. It created more liquidity, okay? It created more liquidity. So it pulled back, you know, on some Fibonacci shit. It pulled back on, and it came back down, and it would have took me out. But if you can see, market came back, made equal highs right here, right? Let me take the, oh shit, my fault, y'all, tripping. So it made relatively equal highs here, right? Did it not? So when it made those equal highs, right, you would be saying it's gonna come take that, right? Now at the same time, we still got these equal lows, all this money here. You see this? From here to here, money. Look what the market does, you guys. What a goddamn, it comes down, takes out the equal low here, and shoots up, okay? Now, this would have been a great trade for you. If you want to get in, you would have to get in on the 1 minute. Let's go back. You see market come, take this, and you really had pretty much no chance almost to catch this. I would have got in once I seen this just start engulfing. You get in at some point here. Now, we're not talking about entries. I'm still working on my entries, you guys. But say you did get in, right? When you see this engulf all this shit, right? Or even you could wait for the pullback. Boom. Get in on the pullback. Right? Whatever you do for the entry, right? You're gonna catch pips though. When you're looking at liquidity being grabbed and thinking of it smart money, you're gonna catch pips. It's a given. 35 pipsies I would have caught. I have this line here. This would have been my target, right? Now y'all probably asking, why is this your target? You can see price didn't break this line really. You feel me? So this was a good line to have there. Let me show y'all why I had that line. I did that on a higher time frame. So as y'all can see, I kind of marked it out here. Equal highs right here, right? Plus, wherever you got equal highs to, it's gonna be, or equal highs and equal lows, my bad. It's gonna be really a support and resistance area, basically. And if I'm saying it in retail, just regular terms, support and resistance area is basically double tops, double bottoms. At the top, that's resistance. At the bottom, support, right? So this has been, resistance since September 10th, right? This line that I had, you guys, basically, it's liquidity, okay? Liquidity up here, liquidity being grabbed, whatever you want to say. So we fast forward all the way to right here, right? Look what market does. Grab liquidity and shoot down, okay? It even created, some right here too, but all this is liquidity. Boom, shot down. It literally works on every pair, you guys. Like, I be seeing this shit all day. Like, this is something I missed this morning, and I was pissed, right? The green is London Open. I trade London Open. Equal lows right here. You see this? Very good support. Slash through the support. Shoots right up. You feel what I'm saying? This is why I changed to smart money. I can look at this better and see things better for what they are. That you're being manipulated by the big banks. Like I said, don't take this as golden, as the end all be all. You want to take this into consideration and look at the markets in these ways. Even US 30, this works for the dirty 30, okay? Let me see. Dirty 30 is kind of consolidating today, but even on a scalping tip, I can even see, right? Let's say you wanted to force a move out of US 30. You see these equal lows? Equal lows, down here to right here. Once you see it, grab that and boom, bullish. You want to shoot the shot. You know what I'm saying? You want to risk little. You know what I'm saying? 2-3%. But your risk to reward is always gonna be more than one. Don't be catching a one risk to reward. No. You know what I'm saying? You get in at the bullish confirmation. Stops under this. Then your target is the next liquidity, right? So boom, there's more liquidity here, right? But we're not talking about entries and targets in this video. This video is just talking about liquidity. But 1 to 2, 1 to 2.45, right? That's DSOL for a little scalp. But this is the way I've started to look at the markets. I just want to keep it real with y'all, keep it 100. This is the best way for me. You know what I'm saying? That's real important for you to find out what's the best way for you to look at these markets. This liquidity, I've been focusing heavily on it. I'm implementing more things alongside the liquidity for more confluences. But I think this is going to be the best way for me to be, you know, the smart money scalper that I want to be. That's really all I had for this video, you guys. Let me know in the comments, did I miss something or any suggestions you want to give me? I will respond. If you've seen something that I might have did wrong in your eyes, let me know. Comment, you know, hit the like button if you guys did enjoy this video. Subscribe if you guys are new. Y'all keep grinding, you know what I'm saying? Don't give up with this Forex. Keep grinding every day. Learn every day. Now, if you lose interest in it, then it's not for you. But if you keep that motivation, keep that grind, you guys will be great. And with that being said, the way it looks, I'm afraid it's over.